Ahora feliz. ¿Qué estamos haciendo?
Esperando el cuarto. Mañana es a las 10.
A las 10.
Bienvenido.
Dame el tour, dame el tour. ¿Qué tal?
Está a gusto, la verdad. Está súper bien. Y posición de operatoria.
Ya. Alright. Orientation. ¿Nerviosa o qué?
No.
Pensando que era sábado, ¿ya? Day 2 at UNLV School of Dental Medicine, as you see there. Today's the orientation. We are going to meet with Jennifer. She's been so kind via email and through telephone to help us get an idea of what the sim labs are like. ¿Cómo te sentí?
Excited.
You got a wristband? Ah, this is the... Hey, let me call you right now. Let me call you right now. Okay, cool. Bye. Good luck. Suerte. Alright, so we're about an hour into Ale's orientation. Still out here in the waiting room at UNLV. Got word that the squad is out. They have just arrived. They just landed. We got my man Caesar. Dr. Sanchez is out here from Downey. Doc AC, my brother, he's actually just arriving within the next 30 minutes. So I might have to dip from the UNLV straight to the airport, pick him up, and then shoot right back. Hopefully in time for the end of the orientation. That way I can catch Ale slipping out of the sim labs and see how she's doing. She sent me a text. She's super excited. Everything's going smooth as planned. There's that background for you guys. Cool. Yeah, my coach, Ale's coach, has landed. What's up, dude? What's up? You made it. Vegas, we here. A ver. ¿Cómo te fue?
Súper bien.
¿Ya? ¿Qué te vi?
Gracias. Pues va a estar mucho más tranquilo de lo que pensé.
¿Ya? What's up, dog? How are you, man? Good? Where's Jenny?
We're getting our players cards.
Let's go. We're just gonna hang out for a little bit. You don't gotta say sorry, Jenny. It's cool.
I was like, don't look at other men. You're in Vegas. Hi. Nice
I go
to meet
Fernandez.
you.
This is Jenny.
Nice to meet you.
What's
I
up?
was like, don't look at anybody. Just
Did you
Twinsies.
color? Did you? Oh my God, we are twins. Yeah. Did you color your hair? Or?
Yeah, I went dark, chopped it off.
What was it before?
The
Blonde.
highlights.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay, okay. Good. What's up, twin?
How are you?
Yeah. I know. Are you guys COVID friendly?
Yeah.
Are you guys COVID friendly? We met at Disneyland. My girlfriend Ale. Y'all came here to party. We came here to go to dental school.
Yeah.
I'll walk into that demonstration.
Qué
I wanted you guys to stay here for this.
Qué fancy.
This is real, man. Very, very important fact for me. This is why I say case is more than your actual work.
Right, case selection. In this case, since it's mannequin,
Do the nails.
the case you don't have to worry about. And now they're actually looking at the prep.
The perfect.
They're looking for the perfect prep.
Let's see.
Yo, you know what though? She passed part 1, part 2, right back to back, and we're like, that's why this is the last exam of the year.